Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at the bulletproof EA for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, examine the features and settings provided by the developer, and then discuss the historical backtesting results to better understand how this expert advisor is designed to operate. Starting here on the Marketplace page, Bulletproof EA is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Tibor Hartmut Storm. At the time of this review, the EA is listed at a price of $50 and the current version available is version 3.0. Now, looking through the description, the developer presents this EA as an automated confluence-based trading system. The core idea is that the EA does not rely on a single signal before entering a trade. Instead, it follows what the developer describes as a dual stage verification process. All right. So, according to the information provided, the first stage involves monitoring the market using the buy sell arrow system. The EA waits for an arrow signal that may indicate either a potential trend continuation or a possible reversal opportunity. The second stage is the confirmation process. Before any trade is executed, the EA cross-checks the signal using what the developer calls a final confirmation filter. The description explains that this confirmation is based on momentum or Euler's style logic. Only when both conditions agree does the EA proceed with a trade. Now, as I continue through the page, the developer highlights several reasons for using this approach. One of the main objectives is filtering out weaker signals and reducing exposure to market noise and whipsaw conditions. The EA is also designed to operate without emotional decision making by following predefined rules automatically. Looking at the key features section, one important point is that the developer specifically states that this is not a martingale system and does not use grid trading. All right. So instead, trades are described as single entry positions. Risk management is another major focus. The EA includes automatic lot size calculation based on a user defined percentage risk per trade. Okay, along with built-in stop loss and take profit levels. Now, according to the description, position sizing is automatically adjusted based on the selected risk level and stop loss distance. The EA also uses buffer-based indicator logic for signal processing and includes customizable parameters that allow traders to adjust indicator settings and risk controls to suit their preferences. All right, so before moving into the backtesting section, the developer recommends using the EA primarily on Euro USD, GBP USD, and XAU USD. Recommended time frames are M15, H1, and H4, with higher time frames noted as potentially offering more reliable trend confirmation. Now let's move over to the historical backtest results. When reviewing historical testing performance, I like to focus on how closely the results align with the strategy description provided by the developer. Historical testing helps us understand how the EA behaved during past market conditions, but it should never be viewed as a guarantee of future results. Heading over to our strategy tester right now, we want to see how the bulletproof EA behaved on Euro USD on the H1 time frame over the past 3 months. All right. So from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit was negative 5,972.4, and out of 12 trades that we are taking, just 2 were profitable, yielding a 16.67% win rate. Now, the largest profit was 1,845.6. The largest loss was 1,022.58. Average profit was 1,767.8. Average loss was 950.8. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio is actually good. Okay, not excellent per se, but is okay at least. But the win rate is very low, so I'm not surprised to see a negative net profit that was more than 10%. I think this should be close to 12%. All right, so now let us turn on the visuals so we can see the EA in action. All right, as I review the chart history, I want to pay attention to how trade entries appear relative to the signal and confirmation concept described earlier. I'm also looking at how positions were managed after entry, where exits occurred, and whether the overall trade activity reflects the structured approach outlined on the marketplace page. But I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing multiple symbols, time frames, and risk settings can provide a much broader picture of overall performance. So looking at the historical testing performance overall, it is important to remember that results can vary significantly depending on risks setting, lot size, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization choices. Okay, overall, the bulletproof EA is an MT4 expert advisor built around a dual confirmation trading approach that combines signal generation with additional momentum based verification. Okay, so combined with its built-in money management tools and clearly defined risk controls, it offers a structured automated trading framework that traders can further evaluate through their own testing and optimization process. Okay, so we can also see how the EA executes a trade and sets stop loss immediately. All right, so for risk concerned traders, at least the EA uses fixed SL for each trade. Okay, but okay, we can also see that it uses a fixed take profit as well. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.